Hi, everybody. So today I was going and I was getting tacos. Yes, I did get tacos. I got chorizo tacos, I got chicken tacos, and I got steak tacos. As I was getting tacos, I thought, what kind of advice could I give my friends who are graduating and going to be teachers? And the only thing I could think of was eat more tacos. Why do we want to eat more tacos? The reason we do is because, one, if you eat tacos with your colleagues, they will help you. Eating tacos with your colleagues lets you get to know them. If you have to buy a beverage for them, buy a beverage. But it's a nice way to get to know your colleagues, get to know what they're good at, get to know their interests, and then collaborate with them to help your teaching and their teaching get better. I also say eat tacos when things are going bad. You're going to have, days that are rough. You're going to have lessons that crash and burn. And so what you do is you go home, you grab some tacos, you eat them, and the next day you just forget about it because you've had your tacos. Your tacos, they cleanse you of all that pain and they make you feel super better. And finally, eat tacos to celebrate. Celebrate when your kids get it. Celebrate when your kids use the proper terms like distributive property instead of FOIL. Or they learn that they're multiplying by the multiplicative inverse, which gives them the identity instead of canceling. And then when your kids use the proper language, math language, go home and have tacos and celebrate. Okay, I know you all will be great, great teachers. I'm looking forward to hearing all kinds of awesome stories from you. And don't hesitate to contact me. I love to talk shop. Good luck, rock on, and we'll see you around.